Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete all of your reposts on TikTok. Let's get started. So right now TikTok does not have a built-in feature to remove all reposts in one click. And the only official way is to go through them one by one and delete each repost manually. But there is a way to contact TikTok support and ask them for bulk removal. For that, open up TikTok application and then inside here simply log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon. And inside here, simply tap on this three line, tap on settings and privacy, scroll below, and then simply select support. Now scroll below again and then tap on chat with us. And now inside here, you want to go ahead and simply type in, can you help me delete all of my reposts at once? And then usually you'll get a reply like that. Thanks for your feedback. We'll consider this feature in the future. That means it's not possible yet, but your request is locked. So for now, the only real method is to delete them manually. To do that, simply head back to your profile and then simply come to the repost section. Tap onto the repost, tap on you reposted, and just like that, simply tap on reposted again. Now select remove repost. And that's it. I know it's not the fastest method, but until TikTok adds a bulk delete option, that's the only way. So that is simply how you can delete all of your reposts on TikTok either one by one or by messaging support to request a better option. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.